This medallion represents the highest standard of craftsmanship, a symbol of the precision required for the presidential limousine.
The synchronization of these robotic systems ensures unparalleled precision. Now, if we look closer at the chassis component itself, we verify every component meets the highest standards. That commitment to quality is why we lead the industry.
The data from these servers allows us to optimize the workflow in real time, which is critical for a vehicle as complex as the Beast.
Look at this. This filter is absolutely critical for maintaining the pristine environment required for the EV battery assembly.
Wait a moment. According to these schematics for the CT5, the power output is significantly higher than projected.
Our quality control protocols are integrated at every stage. These systems monitor the assembly line in real time, guaranteeing the highest standards.
I personally guarantee that every vehicle leaving this line meets the highest standards of excellence. That is the Cadillac promise.
This blueprint details the new workflow. By optimizing the CNC machine sequence, we've increased efficiency by 15% across the entire production line.
This level of precision ensures that every connecting rod meets our rigorous global standards before moving to the engine assembly line. Stop the calibration, it's unstable. Get back, it's gonna blow. The AGVs have significantly streamlined the chassis line.
And the precision on the exhaust mounts is remarkable.
As you can see, the integration of this technology allows us to maintain unmatched levels of precision and quality across the board.